way I understand it, at the core of it, it is about love and wisdom. It's not enough just to have knowledge. It's not enough to have technology. It's not enough to have rules and regulation. What really needs to change is the attitude.
To be a philosopher is a way of life. To be a practical philosopher means to live life of meaning. It requires us to be active participants and to look at Mother Nature in order to learn from it.
This is a small example of the spirit of volunteering, that we give a little, but we can receive much, much more. What better gift to Mother Earth on her day?
A group of aspiring philosophers have visited our rural center to reconnect with Mother Nature, to work with her with our hands and heart fully open and to learn from her.